He went to Betty. Honolulu Zoo. Giraffes and zebras.
Even if he's grass.
He wants to see him, babe. He can't. This is what you have. No, you can't get on there. Look at him. He's looking at us. Here he goes. Look, he's looking at you, Mia.
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna attack.
When animals attack.
No, he knows. There's something going on right here.
Yeah.
Electricity. Green.
Uh-oh.
The flash.
Scary. I don't know.
What? He's like frozen. The baby's happy. Are you happy about the zebra?
His lip is quivering, so he's like, I'm gonna get you guys.
Y'all look yummy.
What's up? What's up, giraffe?
He's looking at you. It's so funny.
What's up? What you wanna do?
He's like, y'all saw? You took a picture? Alright.
Oh, he's coming over. Don't come over here, man.
He was just
You better
kidding.
not get in my face.
He was just
Don't get in
kidding.
my face, giraffe. You better not get in my face.
How come the cyrus can't be like that?
I don't
I
know.
don't want the tiger.